In recent weeks, companies have begun building Ethereum Treasury funds. SharpLink Gaming is one of those names, hoping to become the world's largest corporate holder of the coin. Joe Lubin is chairman of SharpLink Gaming. He's also, by the way, the co-founder of Ethereum. Joe, great to have you with us.
Thanks for having me.
So much has happened in 10 years. Recently, though, people are getting jazzed again about Ethereum, about Ether, because of the passage of the Genius Act. How important is that to the trajectory that you see ahead?
Yeah, so it's because of the passing of the act and the embracing of Ethereum by the current administration, legislators, et cetera. It's also because we've been building enabling infrastructure for 10 years, and we're scalable enough and affordable enough and usable enough, legal now for builders and companies to entertain using tokens or issuing tokens or benefiting from DeFi. So it is our broadband moment, and the Treasury companies are accelerating that, and stablecoins are accelerating that, and our 10th anniversary really coincides in almost an accidental way with us going mainstream.
There is a metaphor, Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is digital oil, because of what you enable to happen in terms of DeFi and in contracts, et cetera. Where do you see that ratio, the Bitcoin-Ethereum ratio, going? Should there be a closure in the gap? I mean, should Ethereum ultimately, I guess I'm asking you, do you love your child? But should Ethereum be more valuable ultimately?
Yeah, our child is off the charts. We like the metaphor of digital oil. There are a bunch of different metaphors for what Ethereum will be because it's just so broadly capable. It is going to be the natural evolution of the internet protocols and the World Wide Web. It is going to be the main functional components of Web3, the re-decentralized web. We like to think of Ethereum as a new kind of software, trustware, and we like to think of trust in a new way as a virtual commodity, where Ether is the highest octane trust commodity in the world. And so if you can imagine making all transactions and processes and agreements and relationships much more trustworthy, automatically trustworthy, guaranteed execution, verifiability, transparency, what is that going to do to all of those things? What's it going to do to the global economy? So if Bitcoin's $20 trillion in value, what is the global economy sitting on Web3 rails, supercharged by decentralized trust? I think we talked about the flippening, where Ether will eclipse the monetary base size of Bitcoin. Some people think that'll never happen. Some people think that'll take a few years. I think we may see astonishing things in the next year or so, especially with these Treasury companies driving things.
So first of all, congratulations on your very beautiful baby. That's worked out nice for you at 10.
Thank you.
So many other coins, they want to be, or they think they're going to be better than Ethereum. That's sort of who everyone's shooting at now.
Yes.
And are any of those, do you think, a real threat to you?
So for years, we've had so many Ethereum killers come and go. It usually starts with the kernel of a good idea. Passionate founders who maybe want to go for the big prize rather than building in an already thriving ecosystem. It gets supercharged by VCs who see this way of growing a protocol, making lots of money, and selling their tokens early to retail. That gets exacerbated by journalists who like to clickbait the death of Ethereum, the death of Bitcoin, even. Sorry. The bad journalists. And so it's really that triumvirate that believes that Ethereum has a chance of being dethroned, but Ethereum is actually orders of magnitude larger than any other ecosystem. Bitcoin's a different special snowflake. But there's never been any other ecosystem that is as big as, has as much talent as, and is as mature as the Ethereum ecosystem.